So this is a cabin out at Hood Canal, and we had a loft that we didn't have access to without a ladder. And an aluminum ladder is kind of tough and wobbly, so we looked on the internet to see and YouTube to see what the heck was available for folding type staircases, or what people do. And we saw this folding staircase that a few people had done, and we decided, yes, that would be a great application. And we happen to have a 40-inch wide hallway, so we could take 20 inches of it and still be able to get by. So this is the staircase we built with the handrail of the same material, and it goes up to a landing of 1.5 inch plywood and then 2 steps up into the loft. So to get it down, just a matter of pulling it and dropping it, and you can walk right up. And it's very easy also just to push back to the wall, and it retracts and is out of the way. So as you can see, I took 2 layers of 3/4 inch plywood of apple ply and glued them together, and then did the same thing for the steps. And I used black hinges, and we also used barrel nuts, or these threaded inserts, and we capped them with dowel. And also there's Allen screws. I think they're 832 Allen screws. And anyway, that's our Hood Canal loft stairway.